YNAB versus Rocket Money, which budgeting app is best for you? Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this video, we will compare two of the most popular personal finance software tools, which is Rocket Money and YNAB. And to create an account on Rocket Money or YNAB, you can use the link in the description. And by using the links, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. So in this video, we will compare Rocket Money with YNAB in terms of pros and cons, features, and other factors. So make sure to watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So let's start by knowing the overview of YNAB. So basically, YNAB is a platform that will guide you in creating and sticking to a budget based on your 4 rules, in which this rule including giving every dollar on purpose, embracing your expenses, adapting to changes as they come, and ensuring your money ages well. And YNAB is perfect for individuals seeking a disciplined approach to managing their finances while being open to learning and applying the YNAB methodology. By syncing with your accounts, YNAB offers detailed reports and visually appealing graphs that facilitate tracking progress and cultivating better financial habits. Now moving on to Rocket Money overview. It is a flexible and customizable budgeting system tailored to fit your spending habits and aspirations. And with Rocket Money, you have the freedom to create budget categories while also setting up alerts for bill payments, unusual expenses, or significant savings milestones. And additionally, it empowers you by tracking investments and net worth alongside providing representations of income streams, expenditures, and budgeting objectives, in which it is ideal for those who value customization options without sacrificing user friendliness or gaining an understanding of their well-being. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed to the other details of YNAB and Rocket Money. So YNAB features and benefits. With YNAB, you can effortlessly sync your accounts, have transactions automatically imported, in which this will allow you to view your income, expenses, and budget in time. And additionally, you have the option to manually enter transactions or import files from your bank. And YNAB enables you to set goals for spending and saving categories, whether it's paying off debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for a vacation. You can easily track your progress. And you can also see here the detailed reports and appealing graphs that are provided by YNAB to help you analyze spending patterns, net worth calculations, income versus expenses, comparisons among useful insights. And you also have the flexibility to filter information by date range, account details, category specifics, or payee details for understanding your personal finances. And also, YNAB is accessible across platforms including web, iOS, Android, Alexa, and Apple Watch. This means you can conveniently manage your budget from anywhere at any time while staying connected to your partner or family. On the other hand, Rocket Money features and benefits. It enables you to conveniently connect and manage all your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts in one place. And this comprehensive view allows you to track your income, expenses, net worth, and budget effortlessly. And you have the freedom to create budgets and categories while receiving alerts for bill payments, unusual expenses, and saving targets. And with Rocket Money, you can simplify your life with Rocket Money subscription cancellation service that assists in identifying and canceling unwanted or unused subscriptions. And you'll have an overview of all recurring charges and subscriptions while leaving the cancellation process in the hands of Rocket Money. And you can also keep track of your investments and overall financial worth through Rocket Money interface. Visualization display portfolio performance, asset allocation breakdowns, fees incurred, while also providing insights into retirement savings requirements. And aside from that, the platform provides credit score tracking and monitoring, allowing you to keep an eye on your credit report and factors that affect it. Now moving on to the pros and cons of using this platform. Starting to their pros, the pros of YNAB is that it will help you to create and follow a budget based on 4 rules that guide you in making better financial decisions. And it also syncs your financial accounts and imports transactions automatically, so you can see your income, expenses, and budget in real time. And it also offers world-class support and education resources such as live workshops, videos, podcasts, blogs, and a friendly community of users. On the other hand, the pros of using Rocket Money is that It allows you to create personalized budget categories and goals, offering flexibility in how you manage your finances. And it also provides a real-time alerts for bill payments, unusual spending patterns, and savings milestone. And using Rocket Money, it lets you track your investment and network provides clearer visualization of your portfolio performance, asset, allocation, and fees. While the cons of using YNAB and Rocket Money is that YNAB requires a subscription fee of $11.99 per month or $84 per year to use all the features. And YNAB has a learning curve and may not suit for everyone's budgeting style or preferences. And YNAB does not offer features such as bill and negotiation, subscription cancellation, or credit score monitoring. While the cons of using Rocket Money is that it requires subscription fee of $9.99 per month or $99 per year to use all the features. And it also has some issues with bank connections and investment tracking. And Rocket Money does not offer features such as goal setting, financial reports, or financial education. And now that we know the pros and cons of using those platforms, the question is, who should choose YNAB? Well, since YNAB operates on 4 principles, assigning every dollar a purpose, recognizing and planning for expenses, adapting to unexpected changes, and prioritizing the age of your money. YNAB caters to individuals seeking discipline, budgeting methods, while aiming to enhance their habits and achieve their goals. It is especially beneficial for those who prefer utilizing their existing fund than relying on income or credit. And YNAB provides support and educational resources including workshops, videos, podcasts, blogs, and a welcoming user community. And the cost of YNAB subscription is $11.99 per month or $84 per year with a 34-day trial period. But what about Rocket Money? Who should choose Rocket Money? Well, if you're seeking a user-friendly solution to manage your finances, you might want to consider Rocket Money. Since Rocket Money is an application that brings together all of your accounts, keep tracks of your expenses, assists in creating a budget, and even provides concierge services such as canceling subscriptions, reducing bills, and connecting with experts, in which is designed for individuals who aim to save money, spend wisely, and regain control over their well-being. So whether you're looking to pay off debts, establish an emergency fund, plan for your retirement, Rocket Money can assist you in reaching your goals. While the basic features are available free of charge on Rocket Money, there's also an option to upgrade to premium for benefits and enhanced functionality. Now in summary, YNAB and Rocket Money are both budgeting applications with approaches and features that cater to different user preferences and requirements. Since if you prefer educational budgeting method, YNAB is ideal choice for you. On the other hand, if you value a customizable budgeting system, Rocket Money is the better option. But ultimately, determining the app for your needs relies on your individual financial goals and habits. I recommend trying out both apps for a time to see which one aligns better with your requirements. So that is just basically the comparison review between YNAB and Rocket Money. Thank you.